پاکستان میں تعینات چینی سفیر یاو جنگ نے کہا کہ گوادر منصوبہ پاکستان کے لیے بڑے چینی تعاون کی مثال ہے۔ پاکستان میں جاری منصوبوں کے لیے چینی کمپنیوں کی حوصلہ افزائی کر رہے ہیں۔ چین کے سفیر یاو جنگ نے پہلی بین الاقوامی گوادر ایکسپو کی افتتاحی تقریب سے خطاب کرتے ہوئے کہا،
Last time, thank you, Excellency, Honorable Prime Minister, for your inauguration of the East Bay Expressway. I think this is a demonstration of our cooperation between China and Pakistan for the further development of this port, this project, this kind of cooperation. Excellencies, I think this project initiated when our President and the Prime Minister, when they visited Pakistan 2 years ago, as well as 4 years ago. I think this project was under, great care and support from the Chinese leadership and the Chinese government. And here I would like to reiterate that the firm commitment and the determination for the Chinese government and the Chinese leaderships for the further development and the further progress of Gwadar and the Gwadar port. But here, I would like to express our sincere thanks and appreciation for Your Excellency, Mr. Prime Minister, as well as the Pakistani government, the provincial government, the local government, all of your very strong support for the development of the port and the business here.
بین الاقوامی گوادر ایکسپو میں 200 سے زائد پاکستانی اور چینی کمپنیوں کی شرکت کے حوالے سے خوشی کا اظہار کرتے ہوئے یاو جنگ کا کہنا تھا،
Today I'm so glad that I have heard more than 200 companies from both China and Pakistan are present in today's expo. And I also have heard more than around 6 provinces of China, they sent their representatives to be in today's event. This is a demonstration of that the Chinese government as well as provincial and business scopes participation and interest for the further development of Gwadar. So on behalf of the Chinese government, Excellencies, also that the Pakistani audiences, I would like to say that the Chinese government will continue to invest, to send our input, and also that to further support the development of this project. But also we will encourage the Chinese companies and the Chinese businessmen to join the development of Gwadar. But during this process, during this cooperation, I think that from our side, from the Chinese side, we will make this project first, it's a pro-development project. Because the major purpose of the CPEC, just as the Prime Minister made it when he was in Davos, that this is a project, CPEC, of common development, of common prosperity. So the major purpose of the development of Gwadar port is for the better development of the local, of Gwadar, of Balochistan, and of Pakistan.
پاکستان اور چین کے درمیان تعاون مقامی لوگوں کے حق میں ہے۔ اس حوالے سے بات کرتے ہوئے چینی سفیر یاو جنگ نے کہا،
I think the cooperation between China and Pakistan on this project will be pro-community. The benefit, the development must send their benefits to the community, to the local peoples. So I'm glad that our companies and the Pakistani companies have already started to build more water facilities, build more health facilities, education facilities. And today there's another agreement of poverty alleviation will be signed. And finally, and also very important, is that we think this developmental project should be pro-environment. This mountain, this water belongs to Pakistan first. This is your natural asset. By developing this port and developing this locality, I think that natural beauty should never be disturbed. The natural environment should be never disturbed. So I think that with the efforts from the both sides, I hope this project of Gwadar port could be finally achieve its goals of pro-development, pro-community, and pro-environment. Let's work together and make this kind of project and purpose a possibility and a reality.
یہ ہے خبر کا جہاں اور آپ دیکھ رہے ہیں TNN TV.